Hi Dragonflies, it's Miss Amy again. I thought we'd try something a little different since we've been talking about space and all those things. So I'm going to open up this app on my phone here. It's called SkyMap. And I bet your family members who have phones would be willing to download this so you could try it yourself. It's a free app in the App Store. So I'm looking at my sky map here. I'm inside my house, but I'm pointing my camera up at the sky. And this map is showing me all that stuff that's up there. You know, there's stars. You see the lines here connecting the stars. Those are constellations. The green dots are galaxies. And then we've got our planets here. So I'm going to start from just a little more simple here. So let's see what we see here. So here we've got a planet, and what's that one up there in the top right corner? That's the sun. The sun is also a star. It's a big hot ball of gas, and it gives us all the heat and light that we need. We love the sun so much that our planet goes around it like the other 7 planets do. All the planets orbit the sun, and our moon, the little thing you see in the sky at night, the moon orbits the earth and the sun. So it goes around the earth while the earth goes around the sun. How cool is that? So I'm looking here and I see a planet. What planet is that? It's the closest planet to the sun, and it's very, very hot there. Mercury! Very good. So we see Mercury there. There's the sun. I'm turning around now. I'm looking what was behind me. There's the moon. The moon goes around the earth, right? It goes around the sun, but only because it goes around the earth, and the earth goes around the sun. I'm looking further over here, and let's see what else is around. Okay, we're back to Mercury. I think Venus is around here somewhere. Where are you, Venus? There it is. There's Venus. Venus is much, much further from the sun than Mercury is. It's a very different planet. Very, very cool. Do you guys remember the Magic School Bus and watching them go further and further away from the sun as they visited each planet? Very cool. So now let's add some things. Let's see here. These are galaxies. So these are galaxies like the one that our solar system is in, but they're different and they're far away. All these green dots, they're all galaxies like the one we live in. Very cool. Scientists name all of this stuff. A lot of it's just numbers like M106, but some of them have different names. If you look here, these are what? What did we make? What art project did we do? What are these called? Constellations. Very good. So I'm looking around. Oh, there's Uranus and Mars. Very cool. Uranus and Mars are on a different hemisphere. So you can't really see them from this side of the Earth. But the Earth, not only does it go around the sun, but it also spins as it does it. It's called rotating. So the Earth rotates, and that's why at different times of the year, you can see different things in the sky. So I'm looking around at all these constellations. Remember how we connected the dots with those stars? And each one of these constellations means something or represents something. So this one is Gemini. Gemini is 2 twins. Do you see 2 twins there in the lines? Very cool. Let's see here. Oh, remember we talked about Orion? There's Orion. You might want to try going out when the clouds clear up. See if you can find Orion. Use your star map. It's a really great way to explore the galaxy. Let's see here. What else is here? There's good old Venus again. Cancer here. Cancer is a crab. Does that look like a crab to you? Sometimes I can't really see him. There's Leo. Leo's a lion. You see the lion? Roar! Cool. What else is here? There. Okay, this is one that I want you guys to go look for. This is called Ursa Minor. It's also known as the Little Dipper. I bet your parents could show you the Little Dipper. Try going outside with your sky map and see if you can recognize constellations in the sky when you see them. Then use your sky map to check to see if you're right. So bye-bye constellations. And then these, what are these guys? These are all stars. You can see how some of the stars are much bigger and brighter, just like when you see them in the sky. It's very cool. Up here is Polaris. Polaris is a very famous bright, bright star, also known as the North Star. It looks like you can see that. So go outside and try to find some of these things. Download the sky map if you can. Have your family help you do that. And see if you can identify some of the things that you see in the sky. Sometimes when you see a really, really bright star, it might not be what you think. It might be a planet like Mercury, or it might be a satellite. If you turn all these settings on, look at how much stuff is up there. That's crazy. So you never know what you're going to find, but there's lots of really cool stuff in the night sky. I hope you guys are able to try this at home. If not, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will definitely spend some more time looking at the stars if you guys would like to. I will see you guys soon. Happy Wednesday. Bye, dragonflies.